Welsh national costume. The Welsh national costume has been worn by Welsh women since the early 19th century. These days, it is reserved for special occasions, such as St. David's Day. Inspired by clothing worn by Welsh women in rural areas in the early 1800s, the outfit comprises a skirt, an apron, and two iconic items, a black hat and a red shawl. It became part of the country's national identity in the 1830s as a result of Augusta Hall's efforts to promote the Welsh culture. The Welsh national costume is also said to have played a significant role in the country's history. According to legend, during the invasion of Wales at the end of the 18th century, French soldiers arrived at the coast near Llananda, a small town in the southwest of the country. Hundreds of Welsh women dressed in their traditional clothes came out to see what was happening. Seeing them from a distance, the French mistook them for soldiers and surrendered to the British Army. Is there a traditional costume for women where you live? How does it compare to the Welsh national costume?